In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to docs in iLove PDF. First, let's start by opening iLove PDF in your web browser. You can do this by typing in the URL or searching for iLove PDF. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. This initial step is essential because it sets the stage for everything that follows. You want to ensure you are on the official site to avoid any issues. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will help you navigate more easily through the conversion process. Once you are on the iLove PDF homepage, look for the option labeled PDF to Word. This feature is prominently displayed among other PDF tools. Clicking on this option is crucial because it directs you to the specific tool designed for converting PDF files into Word documents. You will notice a new page opens up, tailored specifically for this function. Seeing this helps reassure you that you are headed in the right direction and you are almost ready to start your conversion. Now it's time to click the button that says Select PDF File. This button is typically located at the center of your screen. When you click it, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to locate the PDF document you wish to convert. This step is important because selecting the correct file ensures that you are converting the right content. Take your time to navigate through your folders and select the desired PDF. Next, upload your PDF document by clicking on it and then selecting Open. This action will initiate the upload process. You may see a progress indicator as your file uploads. This visual cue confirms that your document is being processed. It is a straightforward step, but critical to ensure that your file is ready for conversion. Once the upload is complete, you will see the name of your file displayed on the screen. After your PDF is uploaded, click on the Convert to Word button. This button is usually brightly colored and easy to spot. By clicking this, you are signaling to the software that you want to begin the transformation of your PDF into a Word document. This is a vital step as it triggers the conversion process. It may take a few moments, so be patient as the software works its magic. While you wait for the conversion to finish, you can take a moment to prepare for the next steps. The processing time will depend on the size and complexity of your PDF file. Watching the progress bar will give you an idea of how much longer you have to wait. This anticipation is part of the process, and soon enough you will have your document ready. Once the conversion is complete, you will see a notification prompting you to download your newly created Word document. Click the Download Word button to save the converted.txt file to your computer. This final step is important because it allows you to access your document in Word format ready for editing or sharing. After clicking, you may notice the file downloading in your browser, confirming that your conversion was successful. Congratulations! You have successfully converted a PDF to a Word document using iLove PDF. This process not only saves you time but also gives you flexibility in editing your documents. Now you can open your Word file and make any necessary changes with ease. Remember, knowing how to convert files like this can be a valuable skill, especially when working with various document formats. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.